this lecture we are discussing about saturation temperature and pressure. A saturation temperature means boiling point. Saturation temperature is a temperature for corresponding saturation pressure at which a liquid boils into its vapor phase. A liquid can be said to be saturated with a thermal energy. Any addition to thermal energy results in a phase transition. If a pressure in a system remains constant, means it's isobaric. A vapor at saturation temperature will begin to condense into a liquid phase as the temperature and pressure will boils into vapor phase as additional thermal energy is applied. The boiling point corresponds to temperature at which the vapor pressure of a liquid equals to surrounding environment pressure. Thus, the boiling point is depend on the pressure. Boiling point may be published with respect to the NIST USA standard pressure 1.01.325 kilopascal or 1 atm, or the IUPAC standard pressure of 100 kilopascal. At a high elevation where the atmospheric pressure is much lower, the boiling point is also lower. The boiling point increases with the increased pressure up to the critical point where the gas and liquid properties become identical. The boiling point cannot be increased beyond the critical point. Likewise, the boiling point decreases with decreasing pressure until the triple point is reached. The boiling point cannot be reduced below the triple point. If the heat vaporization and vapor pressure of a liquid at a certain temperature are known, the boiling point can be calculated by using the classical Clausius-Clapeyron equation. Now our second topic is saturation pressure. The saturation pressure is the pressure of corresponding saturation temperature at which liquids boil into its vapor phase. The saturation pressure and saturation temperature have a direct relationship. As the saturation pressure increases, so is the saturation temperature. The temperature in the system remain constant. Vapor of saturation pressure and temperature will being to condense into a liquid phase as the system pressure is increased. Similarly, a liquid at saturation pressure and temperature will tends to flash into its vapor phase as the system pressure is decreased. There are two conventions regarding the standard boiling point of water. Normal boiling point is 99.97 degrees Celsius at a pressure of 1 atm. The IUPAC recommendation standard boiling point of water at a standard pressure of 100 kilopascal is 99.61 degrees Celsius. For comparison, on top of mountain Everest at 8,848 meter elevation, the pressure is about 34 kilopascal, and the boiling point of water is 71 degrees Celsius. The Celsius temperature scale was defined until by 2.0 degrees Celsius being defined by water freezing point and the 100 degrees Celsius being defined by the water boiling point at standard atmospheric pressure. So guys, these are all about saturation temperature and saturation pressure.